2 years is what it's been since the last exhaust system came out for the Kia Forte GT, and man, was it worth the wait. I'm Caleb with Panda Motorworks, and today we have something special to show you Forte GT owners. Introducing the newest exhaust for the Forte GT, the AFE Takeda exhaust system. The Takeda exhaust system by AFE is available in both the axleback and catback configurations for both the two generations of the Forte GT, the 2019 through 2021 and the refreshed 2022 through 2024 models. So no matter what your build, there's an option that fits. All Takeda exhaust systems are made from high quality 304 stainless steel, so they're built to last. There are no mufflers or restrictive resonators in the axleback portion, giving your Forte GT that raw, aggressive tone that it deserves. And for the catback systems, you get a front resonator with the option to delete it for even more sound thanks to the available resonator delete pipe. For the 19 to 2021 models, you have two main options. The axleback system, a 3-inch to dual 2.5-inch system available in 4.5-inch single tips. The catback, same as the axleback section, but includes a front resonator and the option to delete it for maximum flow. Both systems come with your choice of tip finishes. You have polished, carbon fiber, black, or blue. So there's always something to match your style. Moving to the facelifted 2022 to 2024 models, AFE revised the design for the perfect fit. The axleback comes with dual 4-inch dual wall tips, bigger and bolder than the previous generation. The catback follows suit, adding the same resonator setup with the optional delete pipe. And yes, you still get your choice of tip finishes in polished, black, carbon fiber, or stainless. It's all about customizing your build. So why go Takeda? You're getting weight savings, improved exhaust flow, and raw, track-inspired tone. No mufflers, no compromises, just straight stainless performance built for the street or the strip. These systems are direct bolt-ons and backed by AFE's legendary quality, so install is easy and the results are instant. Now enough talking, let's go show you how to get it installed and most importantly, how it sounds. If you opted for the catback configuration, cutting of the OEM midpipe will be required to maintain the stock cat. First, start by removing the heat shield. Then mark 4 inches back from the weld on the rear catalytic converter and make the cut. Reinstall the stock converter using the stock hardware. Now you can install the front and mid pipe adapter using the provided 2.5-inch clamp. that does it for the AFE Takeda exhaust system for the 1.6 liter Forte GT. If you want to pick up one of these exhausts for your Forte GT, I'll leave a link in the description below, as well as all the other Forte GT products that we carry here at Panda Motorworks. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like, it helps a ton. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other Forte GT content. Thanks for tuning in, until next time.